Hi, it's Madam Eileen. Today we're going to do another delicious food item. We're going to do baby carrots. So you don't need a full balloon. So get out your orange and green balloon scraps. You can use a full balloon if you like. Just save the pieces and make another carrot. All right. First we're going to do the tip of the carrot. Just doing a little bit of shaping. Do 2 pinch twists. That's it for the green part, or orange part. Now for the green. I did not have a scrap, so I have to use a full piece of green. I'm going to, holding the knot, wrap my green balloon around my orange balloon. Now I'm going to, not breaking. Well, after a while your finger's like, I don't want to pop it. Scissors. I'm going to make another baby carrot, so I'm going to pinch this off. Stand this up. This one, I am going to do 2 pinch twists. That's right, it's going to get really tight on top of this little carrot. Little bubble. Break. That one behaved. I'm going to have to just reinflate that one. Our little baby carrot is almost done. I'm going to balance the 2 pinch twists on top of each other. So the orange ones will go forward and back. And the top green pinch twist will go left and right in opposite directions. And then you can, just trying to make it look a little more pointed. See if I could roll that knot just a little bit. Cut it at a diagonal so the point is pointing down. And this top little bit, don't cut it off directly. Let's make it look frondy. I need to get a good pair of cutting scissors. Ooh, did you see that? Earthquake! Ah! No. Just being silly. And there you go. Little baby carrot. I'm going to take my plate. I'm going to put on my broccoli. I'm going to take my baby carrot. Oops, static electricity is making it roll. And I'm going to grab my fork and I'm going to go have lunch. Bye.